Cafe One. Alam nyo, big dream ko talagang pumunta sa Italy para ma-feel yung vibes ng Italiano-Italiana. And gusto ko rin matikman yung mga delicacy nila sa Italy. But say no more ka talaga kasi nandito ang Cafe One, ate ko. With its vintage decor, cozy ambience, fresh air, and peaceful view na magbibigay sa'yo na feels na nasa Italy na ba ako? Ganon siya, girlies. It is located sa Masok, Bayombong, Nueva Vizcaya. And you know, sila lang ang kaisa-isang Italian-inspired here in the whole Nueva Vizcaya. So imagine yourself surrounded by the charm of Italy with the sound of soft Italian music playing in the background and the aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafting through the air. Pagkapasok mo talaga, maaamoy mo na yung aroma of freshly brewed coffee na talaga namang sobrang bango. And you can see their collections of wines and yung mga antique nila, mga collection of cups, sobrang gaganda. And of course, while you're browsing to their menu, they will give you a freshly brewed coffee na talaga namang super perfect and saktong-sakto. And finally, the food is here na talaga namang freshly cooked and sobrang sarap, amoy pa lang. First we have is the tagliatelle ragu alla bolognese with crispy bread on the side and fresh tomato and basil on the top. Sobrang perfect ng pagkaluto ng pasta and super sarap. And of course, we need to try their beef shank which is called ossobuco. Na super lambot at sarap ng beef. The beef is really tender and talaga namang perfectly cooked ang rice nila. Kaya naman perfect combination, ate ko. And of course, we need to try their homemade square pizza na kung tatawagin ay focaccia. Na may perfect thick crust and perfect combination talaga ng toppings niya, ate. Talagang super balance ng flavors at hindi tinipid. Grabe. And of course, hindi kumpleto ang ating araw pag wala tayong mainom na coffee, ate ko. So try the cappuccino and of course the iced macchiato na perfect talaga sa anumang oras ng araw. Cafe One is the perfect spot for Italian food and vibes here in Nueva Vizcaya. The peaceful view of the surrounding landscape will transport you to a world of La Dolce Vita, where every moment is a celebration of life, love, and delicious food. And stay tuned din sa June 12 dahil meron silang Unli buffet na Filipino food na 250 pesos lamang. Kaya naman samahan niyo ko at tikman ang Italy sa Cafe One.